Good morning children, Jayadash here. Today we will do exercise 10.5. This is the last exercise of your construction and we will do RHS, we will use RHS criterion here. RHS you know, right angle, hypotenuse and one side. RHS criterion, using this criterion we will draw triangle here. That means in this construction you will get all right angle triangles. Construct a right triangle PQR where measurement of angle Q 90 degree and QR 8 centimeter, PR 10 centimeter. Take the measurement. It is 8 centimeter QR. It is 8 centimeter. Take the measurement of 8 centimeter and take it from your given line. It is QR and from on the point Q you have to draw angle 90 degree. After constructing 90 degree, produce the line and then take the measurement of 10 centimeter. I have taken 10 centimeter length here. It is 10 centimeter. After taking 10 centimeter, you have to measure this length because it is hypotenuse PR. So measurement is 10 centimeter. Now put the pointer on R. Make the arc on the perpendicular line, on the 90 degree line. Understood? To find out the to find out P. Now it is P. Join P and R to find the line PR, and this is hypotenuse and it is 10 centimeter. The measurement is 10 centimeter. So this one 8 centimeter and hypotenuse 10 centimeter. This angle is 90 degree. In this way you have to complete your construction. Triangle PQR where angle Q 90 degree, length of PR 8 centimeter and length of QR 8 centimeter and length of PR, that is hypotenuse, and hypotenuse, length of hypotenuse I have taken 10 centimeter over here and I have measured this to cut to find the location of P. Understood? This is the required triangle. Now come to the next triangle. Construct a right angled triangle whose hypotenuse is 6 centimeter. Hypotenuse is 6 centimeter and one of the legs is 4 centimeter. That means in a right triangle, two legs are there. One leg is 4 centimeter. Any one you can take, either this one or this one. But the hypotenuse is here given 6 centimeter and one leg is 4 centimeter. So first of all you have to take the measurement. Now draw the measurement of 4 centimeter and 6 centimeter. After doing this, take a line and from this line you have to take the measurement of the legs. One leg is given 4 centimeter, so I have taken 4 centimeter over here, and this is 4 centimeter, and you have to draw the right angle either this point or this point where you will be easy. It will be easy for you. Draw 90 degree there. After drawing 90 degree in one point of this line on the 4 centimeter length I have taken first, and then draw 90 degree. After doing 90 degree, you have to draw the hypotenuse whose length is 6 centimeter. Measure this length. It is 6 centimeter, and put the pointer on the another side of the leg and draw arc to meet the vertical line which is perpendicular to each other. Now this you will get the hypotenuse here. Join these 2 points to get the length of the hypotenuse. It is 6 centimeter. here you have got the one leg 4 centimeter, angle 90 degree and hypotenuse 6 centimeter. In this way you have to complete the construction. Then third one is question number 3 from NCERT book, exercise 10.5. Construct an isosceles right triangle ABC where measurement of angle ACB, that means angle C is 90 degree and one length AC is equal to 6 centimeter. As it is isosceles right triangle, that means the two legs of the holding right angle will be 6 centimeter. Understood? Then it will be isosceles right triangle, because hypotenuse is always the longest side. So the two legs of holding this right angle will be 6 centimeter each. I have taken 6 centimeter length here, and from this length I have to, and one line I have taken as base, I have to take 6 centimeter from here. Okay, it is 6 centimeter. Cut 6 centimeter from this line AC. Angle C is 90 degree. So I have to draw one 90 degree angle here. Now, after drawing 90 degree here, completing 90 degree angle here, you have to take the measurement of 6 centimeter again and cut 6 centimeter on the another leg of 90 degree. It is also 6 centimeter. So this is 6 centimeter and this is 6 centimeter. And this angle is 90 degree. So you have drawn a right angle where it is an isosceles right angle also, because the two sides are equal. Now you have to complete the right triangle. You have to complete the right triangle, you have to join AB. And this is the required triangle. I hope all of you understand how to draw triangles by using RHS criterion. Thank you students, practice it.